Welcome to my channel. People with diabetes know that the list of food restrictions is pretty extensive, right? Besides sugar, there are many other things that you can't eat, like carbs, which can raise blood sugar levels. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, the number of diabetic people is increasing. Today, almost 250 million people in the world have diabetes. That's an alarming number, isn't it? Thinking of that, we decided to bring you an easy and cheap recipe for your breakfast that will be as nutritious and tasty as a slice of homemade bread. This homemade bread is good for diabetics since it doesn't take sugar. Write down the ingredients to make bread for diabetic. 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons light cream cheese. Separate the whites from the yolks, set the whites aside. Add the yolks and cream cheese to a stand mixer bowl, then mix until smooth and pale. Transfer to another bowl and set aside. Whip the egg whites to soft peaks. You can use your mixer for the process. Next, slowly add the whipped egg whites to the cream cheese mixture. Gently fold until everything is incorporated. Line a baking tray with parchment paper and put the dough divided into small portions. The recipe usually makes 3 bread loaves. Put the loaves side by side and use a spoon to shape them into balls. Preheat the oven to 392 F and bake for 20 minutes, or until golden. Wait for the bread to cool down before removing it from the tray. Now you can eat it. I hope you like this recipe. Try it and share your experience with us. Thanks for watching.